Hello guys, welcome to Sam Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make the drumstick leaf spice mix, the moringa leaf and the paratha recipe. And I'm sure that you will really like it because it's very delicious and remarkably satisfying when you eat with a spoon of ghee and go with a hot idli, rice and dosa. So let's get started with the recipe. Before that, let me all wish you a very happy Sankranti. Friends, these are the fresh drumstick leaves which I left in the water for about 5 minutes. Now you can remove this from the water. You have to drizzle out all the water. After removing from the water, you have to spread it on the paper napkin like this and leave it for about 4 to 5 days depending on your need. Like if it is dried completely in 3-4 days, you can do it on the 5th day. Okay, let it dry like this. Now let me show you how to pull the leaves from the stems, just like how you do for the curry leaves. Do it in this way for all the stems. Once it is done, you need to pick the tiny stems out of this. Friends, after removing all the tiny stems, your crushed drumstick leaves will look like this. And this is all set to go into the recipe. In case if you don't find the drumstick leaves, you can go with the option of curry leaves. Friends, add dill seeds, flax seeds, urad dal, chana dal, dhania, cumin seeds and the garlic pods. Friends, now you need to stir it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Friends, when it starts crackling, you need to take it off into a bowl. It gives nice aroma and it starts popping up. So that's the moment when you need to take it off into your bowl. In the same pan, add curry leaves and the crushed drumstick leaf powder and chilies and dry roasted. Friends, after 5 minutes or before that, when the drumstick leaf powder color is changing, take it into the bowl. Add some salt as per taste. And once it is cooled down, then you need to grind it. This is how it looks after grinding it. Friends, now let's make the paratha. After rolling this much, you need to add in the spice mix. Then put 1 pearled onion, add little bit of ghee, and now try to put in some flour on the top of it and then close it like this. Now just turn it by pressing on the right side and make it like a disc. And now once it is little bit flat, then start rolling it again. Don't press it too hard. Friends, now it is all ready to go onto the tawa. Heat the tawa to roast the paratha. Once it is hot, add some ghee and place the paratha on this tawa. Flip the paratha. Add some ghee. Friends, once it is done, you can take it into the serving plate. Friends, here is our drumstick leaf spice mix paratha served with the raita. If you like little tangy flavor, please add little tamarind while roasting the ingredients. And you can increase the quantity of the drumstick leaf or decrease the quantity of the sesame seeds as per your choice. Thank you for watching this video, friends.